Viewers, just a small tip on the service indicator in the CB350. अब ये ऐसा हो सकता है कि your service period for this bike is 30 days to 45 days, or either 750 kilometers to 1000 kilometers, whichever comes earlier. Now अभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि your kilometers are not there in the order, but because of the duration आपको servicing कराना पड़े. And what happens after the service as well, once the bike reaches 750 kilometers on the odo, this service indicator will start blinking. And at 1000 kilometers it will be stationary, so it says that this when it starts blinking it says you're due for a service. And when it becomes stationary, you have to do the service. But जैसे मैंने बोला कि it may not happen every time that आपका service and kilometers, the service duration and kilometers will match with each other, and this light would come even after you've done your servicing. Okay, if the kilometers were less. Now there is a way to remove this. There are these two toggle buttons on the dial on the console, and this ignition switch or ignition key. You just have to press these two at the same time, switch off the ignition key, and then again switch it on, and don't leave the two toggle buttons till the time the service indicator goes off. So I'll just do it right now. Just try to hold the mobile. So I'm holding these two toggle switches at the same time. Okay, I'm going to switch off the key. Wait for more than 5 seconds and then switch it on. There you go. So the service indicator has gone, and after that I've just left the two buttons, the toggle switch. And this is how we can do it if your service indicator has come after your servicing has happened. So इतने से छोटे से बात के लिए you don't have to trouble the service center guys. You can still walk into the service center, but this is it's not a very I'll say critical thing to be done, and it can be done easily at home as well. So I hope you like this tip. Thank you for watching and happy riding.